Okay guys, I am one of the most disorganized people possibly on the planet, but you have to be organized to get anything done on Poshmark, especially the more listings you have. The more listings you have, the more organized you need to be. Obviously, if you can't find something, you can't ship it. It's happened to me. And it's happened to me enough times that I had to get real organized. And I didn't know how to do it myself. So I went on Google and I talked to other friends that are poshers, and I determined, and I will give @Citizen Darcy, my very good friend and excellent seller, credit for this idea for organizing. All of my items, and I'll show you now, are in bags, big giant IKEA bags. They're clear so you can kind of see through them, and they are all by color. So literally, if it's a sweater, if it's jeans, if it's shorts, if it's a shirt, and it has any green in it, it's in the green bag. For my purposes, the bag system has worked perfectly, and I don't lose things anymore, for the most part.